and I'm going to show you guys on how to activate Shopee S Loan and apply for a pass loan. So ang next step ay open lang natin ang ating Shopee applications and dito lang sa My Wallet, and then next step ay makikita mo dito yung financial services. And then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung S Loan, so itap mo lang yan. And then ito na siya mga kaibigan. So pwede na natin itong i-activate. So kung paano ba natin ito i-activate, so makikita mo kaagad dito yung activate now. So i-click mo lang yan. And that your verification code is sent to my SMS. So nandito na kaagad yung 6-digit code mga kaibigan na OTP na nasend dito sa ating mobile number na nakaregister dito sa ating Shopee account. So i-click mo lang dito yung next. And then number 1, activations. So ID verifications. And then dito sa ID type, so gagamitin natin dito yung passport, and then dito yung ating ID number, yung passport natin. So nakalagay na dito mga kaibigan. And then i-click mo lang dito yung confirm. Ayan. So ang pangalawa, activations, additional informations. So kailangan mo lang i-double check yung personal informations mo. Ito yung gender natin, nationality, date of birth, yung place of birth, and then yung secondary contact, nandito lahat yung details mga kaibigan. And next step, so makikita mo dito yung dalawang box na I agree to allow S Loan to process my personal data. So check mo lang yan. And then by activating S Loan, so i-click mo lang din to. And then next ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung confirm. And then please double check your personal information is correct before confirmations. Again. And then i-click mo lang dito yung confirm. And then next step, i-click mo lang dito yung start facial verification and verification process. So after 8 hours ay na-approve na rin ang activation ng Shopee S Loan. So naka-receive tayo ng notifications from Shopee. So open lang natin yan. And then congratulations, your S Loan account has been activated. Alright, so para ma-confirm natin yan, and then open lang natin ang ating Shopee applications, and then tap lang natin yan. And then makikita mo na dito na congrats, you've successfully activated your S Loans. Your credit limit is up to 3,750 lang muna yung ating credit limit kasi bago lang tayo nag-activate. You can proceed to withdraw your loan now.